How to connect the Z-IOT Cam. First, download the Z-IOT Cam app. Install the Z-IOT Cam app from the App Store or Google Play. Then create an account or sign in. Then allow the requested permissions such as Bluetooth, location, and camera if prompted. Step 2. Power on the camera. Connect the camera to power and then wait about 20 to 30 seconds. The LED should begin flashing or you'll hear a voice prompt indicating it's ready to pair. Step 3. Reset the camera if needed. Hold the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds and then wait for the camera to restart. The status light should begin flashing again, indicating pairing mode. Step 4. Connect your phone to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Open your phone's Wi-Fi settings, connect to your 2.4 GHz home network, and make sure you avoid using a 5 GHz network during setup. Step 5. Add the camera. Open the Z-IOT Cam, tap Add Device, select your camera model, and then enter your Wi-Fi password. Step 6. Scan the QR code. The app will display a QR code. Then you need to hold your phone 15 to 20 centimeters, which is 6 to 8 inches, in front of the camera. Wait until the camera beeps or announces the QR code was recognized. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.